Do millionaires differ from the rest of us? Not through luck, not by winning the lottery, something you can do today. Yes, today, this minute. And I'm going to show you the very same 5 powerful investment strategies, the same one used by millionaires to build wealth in small but increasing chunks. If you have ever dreamed of financial freedom, this is the video that could transform your life. Let me share with you a little secret story. One day, someone asked me, how on earth do people end up becoming millionaires? They believe it was all about getting this massive check or making the next big startup company. But honestly, most millionaires quietly build wealth through smart investing and letting time do its things. That's what we are going to discuss today. 5 tested methods that you can use to start making your millionaire path. Number 1. Invest in index funds. Index funds are actually a slice of the entire stock market. Rather than worrying about whether you can guess which company will find gold, you are buying the economy in total. It's like owning a chunk of hundreds, thousands of companies at the same time. Warren Buffett invests in index funds for ordinary investor himself. The magic here: low fees, consistent growth, and massive compounding. You don't need to be a great stock picker. You only need to have the patience to wait. Second, invest in blue chips. Blue chip stocks are the giants, the Apples, the Coca-Colas, the Johnson & Johnson of the world. They have tons of records, consistent profit, and global presence. Blue chips are sowing an oak trees. They will not bloom within a day or two, but survive storms. Millionaires will keep blue chips for generations since they are safe and worth more in the long run. Third, self-growth stocks. Now, if you're willing to take a little bit more risk, growth stocks are where excitement lives. Think Tesla, Amazon in its early days, or today rising tech innovators. Growth stocks don't pay big dividends now, but they reinvest profits to expand fast. They are like rockets. You need to buckle up because the ride can be wild, but the payoff can be life-changing. Millionaires diversify with some growth stocks to boost their wealth faster. Fourth, invest in dividend-paying stocks. Imagine paying just for owning a stock. That's the magic of dividend-paying stocks. They pay you very often in cash. It's like owning a rental property with none of the headache of tenants. Let those dividends accumulate over time can amount to enormous wealth. Millionaires love dividends because they create streams of passive incomes, cash flowing in whether you are working or not. Fifth, invest in REITs, Real Estate Investment Fund. Now let's talk about real estate in a genuine manner, not necessary as actually buying actual house. REITs allows you to own collection of real estate, malls, office buildings, even computer centers. They are similar to stocks but distribute rent in the background. REITs are how millionaires diversify, protect against inflation, and gain steady returns. You get the advantages of real estate without the inconvenience of being a landlord. Here's the joke. It's not a matter of gambling on the next cryptocurrency token or holding out for something just for magic to happen. It's about consistent investing, patience, and letting compound growth set in. If you start to incorporate even one of these routines today, you will thank yourself in 5, 10, 20 years because the optimum time to have invested was yesterday, the second best time today. If this video was valuable, I appreciate if you let me know. Of the 5 methods outlined above, what gets you the most pumped? Is it the index fund, blue chips, growth stocks, dividends, or REITs? Leave your comments in the comment section below. I read every one of them. Your millionaire life starts here.